Welcome to UniSellergy. In this video, we will understand how to update multiple products efficiently using the Bulk Product Update module. This module allows you to make changes to product details, prices, stock, images, and more, all at once using a simple CSV upload process. Let's go step by step and see how each bulk update option works. Now let's understand how to use the Bulk Update Products feature. First, open the Bulk Product Update tab. To begin, select your required channel from the drop-down. After selecting the channel, click on Download Sample CSV. The CSV file will be downloaded based on the selected channel. Now open the downloaded CSV file. By default, the file will open on the Report tab. In the Report tab, you will see existing product data related to the selected channel. If you want to update multiple products, go to the Template tab inside the same CSV file. In the Template tab, you will see the header columns such as Product ID, Product Name, Description, Currency, Your Price, Sale Price, Weight, Length, Width, Height, Quantity, SKU, Status. Do not change the header names. Now, fill in only the fields that you want to update for each product. After entering the required data, save the CSV file. Next, go back to the Bulk Update Product section in UniSellergy. Again, select the same channel. Click on Choose File, select your updated CSV file, and then click Upload. Once uploaded, scroll down to the Files Uploaded History section. Initially, the status will show as processing. After approximately 5 to 10 seconds, the status will change from processing to published if all products are updated successfully. If you want to verify the update results, click on the Download button in the Action column. Open the downloaded file. In the file, check the Remark column. The Remark column will show whether each individual product update was successful or if there was any issue. This is how you can update multiple products quickly and efficiently using the Bulk Update Products feature in UniSellergy. Thank you for using UniSellergy.